Sclerosis, very popular. Sclerosis. Yes, sclerosis. Now, very popular. So I met many, maybe in the past 20 years, maybe 200 cases or something of sclerosis. Practically, all sclerosis can be corrected, were corrected. Some of them, of course, didn't have the communication well until the end, so I don't know. But as long as the patient who have kept communications, practically everyone, sclerosis is corrected. Though takes time, maybe 4 months, maybe 1 year, even 2 years. Now, what organs are most involved in the case of sclerosis? What organs are weakest organ? And that we must make primarily strong. Okay? The organ involved is small intestines, is number 1 involved. Small intestine. Of course, together with large intestine also involved. Intestines, this to this grow. I'd say base. Okay? Base. This base, especially this balanced or by muscles balanced together with this intestines, this base of spine is intestinal condition, is firmly made, its foundation. Then goes. But if intestines is shift or loose, then this slightly move, change. When this change, then go like this. In order to make balance, must go this way and go this way. Beginning with this slight angles, this is problem. That is not coming this bone or spine, coming from here. This is okay. Instead of tightness goes instead going this way, more go like. In other words, intestine is becoming partially looser, looser. Okay? Because of what? In or yang? In. Because of in. Okay? Loose. So that is a cause and becoming like. Okay? This, of course, long time gradually arising. Okay? So when you approach scoliosis patient, you don't care about this. This is symptoms. You cure cause. Let him eat standard macrobiotics. How about fruits? Open sesame fruits. out. Okay? Chocolate cake, of course. Let him apply here what? Ginger compress. Okay? Ginger compress. Okay? And yes, you can apply here ginger compress, all right? Okay? Or massage, okay? In order to make circulation better. But here is very important. Okay? Okay. And eating well, applying ginger compress regularly, maybe twice a week or so. Right? Continue. Takes 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year, depends on person. Then this becoming slowly get better and better and better, and finally becomes straight. Okay? Together with this. So, after macrobiotics, begin 2 weeks, 3 weeks. If bowel movement becoming firm and regular, okay, then you should know this scoliosis can be cured. Okay? If not, you must further attend how to cook. Okay? How to cook. How to make digestion, especially intestinal condition, good.